Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew without meat. We will focus on building rich flavors and textures from plant-based ingredients. First, select hearty vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and celery to form a robust base. Incorporate umami-rich elements like mushrooms or a tablespoon of tomato paste to deepen the flavor. Finally, add legumes like lentils or chickpeas for essential protein and a satisfying texture, ensuring a truly fulfilling meal without any meat. To begin, sauté aromatic vegetables such as 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are wonderfully softened. This step is crucial for building a strong flavor foundation. Next, pour in 4 cups of quality vegetable broth or water as your liquid base, enhancing it with a bay leaf and a teaspoon of dried thyme. Remember to chop all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces to guarantee even cooking and a perfect texture in every spoonful. Once all your ingredients are combined, simmer the stew gently for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the individual flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious and deeply satisfying taste. For delicate greens like spinach or kale, stir them in during the last 5 minutes of cooking to ensure they remain vibrant and tender. Finally, taste and adjust your seasonings with salt, pepper, and a touch of acid, such as a squeeze of lemon juice, to brighten the overall profile. Your delicious meatless stew is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm with a side of crusty bread, fluffy rice, or even a dollop of plant-based sour cream for an extra creamy touch. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables, spices, and legumes in future batches. The possibilities for creative variations are truly endless. A final garnish of fresh herbs, like chopped parsley or cilantro, will add a wonderful burst of freshness and a beautiful pop of color to your hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.